Chicken steak recipe. For the chicken, for boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Salt and black pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 teaspoon dried thyme optional, 1/2 teaspoon dried oregano. Optional 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper. Adjust to your preferred spiciness, 1 tablespoon length. For the coating, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs, beaten. 2 cups breadcrumbs, panko or regular, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, salt and black pepper to taste. For frying, vegetable oil for frying. 1. Place the chicken breasts between 2 sheets of plastic wrap or parchment paper. Gently pound them with a meat mallet or rolling pin to an even thickness, about 1/2 inch. 2. In a bowl, combine salt, black pepper, garlic powder, paprika, dried thyme, dried oregano, cayenne pepper, and lemon juice. Mix well. 3. Rub the seasoning mixture over both sides of the chicken breasts, cover, and let them marinate in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes or up to 4 hours. 1. Set up a breading station. Place the flour in one shallow dish, beaten eggs in another, and breadcrumbs mixed with garlic powder, paprika, salt, and black pepper in a third dish. 2. Dip each chicken breast into the flour, shaking off the excess. Then dip it into the beaten eggs, allowing any excess to drip off. Finally, coat the chicken with the breadcrumb mixture, pressing the breadcrumbs onto the chicken to adhere. 3. Heat enough vegetable oil in a skillet over medium-high heat for shallow frying. The oil should be around 350 F175 C. 4. Carefully add the breaded chicken breasts to the hot oil. Cook for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side, or until the chicken is cooked through and the coating is golden brown and crispy. 5. Once cooked, remove the chicken from the oil and place it on a plate lined with paper towels to absorb any excess oil. 1. Let the crispy chicken steaks rest for a few minutes before serving. 2. Serve them hot with your choice of sides, such as mashed potatoes, roasted vegetables, or a fresh salad.